Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I got the POV. I got the POV prep kit minus one thing, but I really want to share this with you. First impressions on mature skin. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to say it. I am like so stinking excited. I posted a short, I think last week or something like that. I did order the first go around. I did order the Drip It and the Whip It. And of course, like everyone else, it took like 5 weeks to get here. It took a while. And then I knew that she was going to have the restock. So I figured, let me just wait to get all the products that I wanted. And then we could just do a full video together. So I did grab the Drench It and also the Amp It. The only one I didn't grab was the primer. Girl, I don't wear primer, so I just didn't like it. I knew I wasn't going to like it nor use it, but I will tell you, the Drench It, hello, is a soothing, priming milk base. So, like, I don't even wear primer. Now you're going to make me wear two of them. But anyways, I just didn't grab that one, but I'm so excited to try these out. I know in her video, I think when she first introduced it, she said that you could use, you could still use your face products minus the skin moisturizer, because the Whip It is really thick and delicious. So I just did my regular skin routine, girl. You know, I use my Pixie Milky Mist in between my products. I have my vitamin C. I have the Timeless coenzyme Q10 and my hyaluronic acid. That's all I have on my face. So, and that's what I would normally use. If this is going to interfere with that, I may have a problem, because that is usually, it's hot in here. That is usually my morning routine. It's been my morning routine for a couple of years now. But anyway, let's dive right in. I'm going to go right to Amp It because my lips are so stinking dry. So this is the Amplifying Lip Ampule. And I'm sure like 50 million people have already, of course, tested it and all that good stuff. But I don't think I've seen anybody like my age, I'm 57, by the way, or like, in their 40s plus review this. I could be wrong. I could be wrong because I really haven't been on YouTube that much lately. Girl, I just don't have the time. But anyway, I'm so curious how this plays. Not only I'm excited at how it's going to play underneath my makeup, but I really want to test it out like on my mature skin. So let me just read up a little bit real quick on the Amp It. We have a different POV on lip care. Our next gen concept fuses serious lip care so lips look and feel healthy, amplifying the experience of any lip color application. Usage: apply generously to the lips as needed for a glowing hydration. Now, I know she did say, girl, when you're ready to put your lip product on, you gotta wipe it off. You gotta wipe it off. So let's see here. We're coming back ASAP. They sold out. Of course, you guys know they sold out again. I'm so happy for her. Like, I hate when people like sit there and bully. Listen, raise your hand if you know of anybody who is perfect. No, nobody's perfect but the Lord upstairs. So cut people some slack. Give me a break. Yeah, I feel like, me personally, anytime like someone comes out with a new brand, a new product, like influencers, and people like bash, girl, you're just jealous. Girl, guy, whoever the hell you are, you're just jealous. Like, leave people alone. You are like stifling someone's passion, not only their passion, but I'm sure these influencers throw all their finances, passion, love, heart, and soul, and you're gonna come around and bash it? Give me a break. Listen, if your mother never told you, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Whatever. I digress. There you go. Jumping off my soapbox. By the way, this is 0.5 full ounces. And can I even tell you like how much it is, because it's sold out? Do I have my receipt? Nope. Anywho, you know I have everything listed below. I'll find my receipt somewhere, and I'll find my receipt somewhere, and I will leave it down below for you guys. So I'm so super excited. I always have some kind of lip balm, lip oil, lip product on my lip smackins. So here's what it looks like right over here. This, I was surprised. This is squishy. I didn't think it was squishy. Cute packaging. This is rubbery. Somehow I thought that that was hard, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it's got like a little bit of a milky consistency. Did I bring a mirror? No. I know it's close though. Got it. So this has, it looks like, it almost looks like it's got like a, that is nice. That is really nice. Damn, that feels real good. It feels like a lotion on your lips. That feels so stinking good. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see. I'm wondering, well, I was going to say, I'm wondering, can you sleep with it at night? But her whole line, of course, is for prepping for your skin for makeup. But I'm just curious. I'm going to ask her some doggone questions. I wonder if you could wear this like as a night treatment. Damn, that feels so, so good. Let's see here on the website. Let's see, our restorative lip treatment with a lasting glow technology has a triple butter blend. It is so, so good. Argan oil and hyaluronic filling spheres, giving lips a serious dose of hydration. It feels good. I'm like so excited. I really hope this works out on my mature skin. So next we go with Drench It. So this is a soothing priming milk base. Let's see what it says here. A nourishing priming milk essence that drenches the skin with a cooling hydration that helps soothe, plump, brighten, and tone. This hyper hybrid formula improves the overall quality of your makeup while addressing skin needs from all angles. Our next generation, yep, says the same thing. Dispense into the palms and gently press onto freshly cleansed skin. Now again, I have my skin products on. I mean, I have to go back and just watch her video. I do recall, like I said before, that she had on her regular skincare minus her moisturizer. Apply multiple layers for additional hydration as desired. Pat any excess formula firmly onto skin for further absorption. Wait 30 seconds before applying your serum. Okay, cool. Let's open this up. So this is Drench It. Leave me some comments below. Have any of you guys picked it up? Have you used it? What do you think about it? Or I have no desire to grab it at all? Let me know. So this is the packaging. I love the simplicity of it. I think it's so nice. I think it's so beautiful, so plain Jane. So this is infused with our patent 2x fermented Vital Complex technology, a potent blend of Korean-inspired ingredients with a 2-step fermentation process. This intensely moisturizes, brightens, and evens out skin tone. Biopeptide complex improves skin moisture balance for more elastic and smoother looking skin. Complexion looks hydrated, bouncy, and smooth. This has fermented rice water, niacinamide, and squalene. Do I shake it? I don't know, but I'm going to. Shake it a little bit. I'm going to take off this tab. If I can grab it, yep. Ooh! Take off this tab. Smells like nothing. Oh yeah, this is very watery. I can't even show it to you. So I'm going to just put it on my face. I am so grateful and I appreciate it. I'm going to take it down the neck. I am so grateful and so appreciative that there's no scent at all. Wow. That's really, wow. It almost feels, like it feels obviously very wet, very watery, but now that it's seeping in, it almost feels like a lotion. It almost feels like an oil. Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way though. That feels so good. Okay, cool. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so the next product is Drip It. And this one is a Nourishing Glow Serum. Before we get started, this feels very tacky on my skin. You see that? I'm not sure if I like that. You guys know I don't use primers, let alone tacky primer. This is, by the way, a cross between Essence and the Milky Toner. But this feels, well, you saw that. So I'm not really sure. But anyway, getting back to the Drip It. This is a nourishing glow serum, and she said it is one of her favorite products out of the whole package here. So what it says, it's a high performance makeup prep serum that adds much needed moisture and natural glow under makeup to help improve texture and smoothness. Skin looks healthier, brighter, and more glowing. Makeup looks seamless and radiant. I am so curious about this. And let's see here, apply 2 to 3 drops straight onto the face. I don't like doing that. I don't like that at all. I'm going to put it in my hand. Onto your face, massage onto face, neck, and décolleté until fully absorbed. To achieve the ultimate glow, start with Drench It. We got that. Blah, blah. Great. I'm so excited. This is, like I said, one of her favorite products out of the whole bundle. So far, this is what it looks like. It's very glassy, very glowy. I love it. So this is Drip It. Do I have to shake it? I don't know, but I'm going to shake all these products. What did she say? She said 2 to 3 drops. So I'm going to put it in my hand. I don't like... Let me see. Let me put a little bit more. Okay, so this is what I have right over here. And I'm going to just... I may need a little bit more on my forehead. I guess I shouldn't have shaken it because there was all bubbles. Wow, this is amazing. I want to put it on my eyelids. Should I? I mean, like that. That's what I normally do with all my products. I don't want to deviate. I don't want to deviate from like my normal way I prep my skin. I just saw Tati. Somebody asked her, do you ever put all your skincare on your ears? She said yes. I don't think I ever do. But, okay, so we're going to let that seep in 30 seconds in between. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so a little bit of time has gone by. So this is what my skin looks like with Drip It. My eyelids feel really tight. I'm not going to lie. Again, it's still got that tack. But everything is so, hold on, let me look right here. Everything looks so, wow, so like I feel like it looks like my skin is wet, but it isn't. Okay, so the next product, and this is the last product that I have, because like I said, I didn't grab the other one. Thank God, because this is already tacky, right? I don't know. So this is the hydrating whipping cream. So this is Whip It. I want to sing, so let it whip, but let's see here. Usage. Find the spatula by turning the lid of the jar clockwise until the window unveils the blue spatula. Continue to operate in mode. Okay, open it up, desired amount. The spatula gently massage onto the face, neck, and décolleté in an upward stroke. Best results. Use with all that Drench It. Okay, great. And what does she say on this one? Let me just look on her website. So on her website, intense yet lightweight skin barrier supports that imparts deep hydration and glowing healthy skin. Oh my gosh, my skin is already glowy. Look at that. I'm telling you, if it looks soaking wet, but it is completely dry and tacky, So let's dive into this product. This looks really, really good. So this is Whip It. And you turn it, right? You turn it, and you turn it until you get to the spatula. I love this. This is a great idea. And then you turn the lid. I'm gonna pull this off. Wow. Oh wow. Thank you, God. Look at that. I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna take this all from here. Not gonna use it all. I just want to show you. So put it on my face like I normally do. Like, to me, that's a little bit too much. Like, I wouldn't use that much normally. So whatever I have here, I'm going to just, thank you, God. This feels really good. But I like the description. Yes, it looks so thick, but it feels very light on the skin. Like, the consistency feels light. That feels so good. I'm just curious, once this dries down, is it going to take away like that tackiness from the Drench It? Okay, so that is that. Okay, so this is it with the products that I picked up. I just want to wait the 30 seconds until Whip It absorbs in, because I'm super curious to see if the tackiness from the Drench It is still tacky, you know what I mean? So let me just wait a couple of seconds. I'm going to just put this away. This is such a beautiful, beautiful product. I'm going to put my little spatula. I didn't even use a spatula. Duh, I did not even use a spatula. But anyway, yep, it's still tacky. Okay, so I'm going to go about my business. I am going to stop this video now because I'm doing another video. And of course, then I will come back with all that makeup on because I'm so curious to see how this works out on mature skin. I'll see you in a little while. Okay, guys, I am outside in a natural light. Sun's in and out, in and out. Yeah, I'm in Jersey, so I have to wear a vest. It's so stinking cold out here, but I just want to share with you, this is the look I have over the POV Beauty Prep. It is so friggin' beautiful. Let me just stop so I'm not shaking. But look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks, right? Very, very impressive. Okay, guys, so I just finished all my makeup. I'm impressed. I am like super, super impressed. I did just put this on maybe, I'd say like an hour ago, because after I did this video, I did another one. So I'm gonna put this light on. I was very, very concerned with the tackiness of Drench It, but I will tell you, after I put on Whip It, it kind of like lightened up the tackiness. It was still a little bit tacky, but not as tacky as it was before, because you know I'm not a primary kind of girl, let alone a tacky primer. But I will tell you, I mean, I will say the skin, in the words of everybody else, is skinning, girl. It is so beautiful. I said in the previous video that my foundation has gotten a little bit cakey over my forehead. You guys know that I have normal skin, whatever that is, but my dry spots are like across my forehead, in between my eyes and around my mouth. But this looks so friggin' good. Super, super impressed. Super impressed. I will leave note. It's 2:30 now. It's 2:30 now. I will leave note. I just want to see how this looks in a few hours. It is a little bit shiny in the T-zone. Like I noticed like around here, like right in the T-zone, but more so like I'm a mustache girl. And the chin, it's a little bit shinier, glowier, if you will. I did put on some powder. I have the Givenchy powder in 03. In the T-zone, but everything looks so good. I am very, very impressed. Yes, ma'am. With this prepping line, it's beautiful. I highly, in this moment, let's just say this, in this moment that I have it on, and I tried it on for the first time, and it's been on my skin for about an hour. I think it is so beautiful for mature skin. Listen, Michaela's like what, 27, 28? She's a kid. I'm 57 years old. She's 30 years younger than me. But this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to keep on playing with these products, and I will keep you updated to see if this was just a fluke that my makeup came out beautiful today, or if this is really legit a great line for mature skin. It's beautiful. I am so, so impressed. Congratulations, Michaela. It is gorgeous. But anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video on reviewing POV Beauty on mature skin. I think it's great. Please, you guys, if you guys have used it and are of mature age, if you will, whatever that is, 30, 40, 50 plus, whatever, leave me some comments below. I'm so curious to see if you guys have used this line. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway, so that is it. Thank you so, so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.